Morning everyone, it's Saturday morning and I'm out on my bike, and yes, I'm actually on the canal which is a bit of a mad one for me, but it's actually got its plus points today. I downloaded a 38-mile route to do, and I was 17 miles in, and it's going to be the most boring route I've ever done. It was basically road ride, and it was supposed to be a gravel ride, and I literally haven't even been on any off-road. It was all roads. So I literally passing the canal, and I thought I want to drop on that, see if I can head back over my way on this, because it's got to be a bit more interesting. Anyhow, here we go. It's actually a really nice stretch of canal. I don't even know where I am, but can't fault this so far. It's better than the bloody roads I was on anyhow, I'll tell you. I actually went out last night as well, did a little 17-mile off-road loop to try and find some trails that I used to ride years ago. We found those and it was absolutely brilliant, and I went with Will from Big Willie's over in Starbridge, and that was proper nice. Nice evening ride, temperature was spot on, so that was all good. And then I was up super early this morning, so I thought I'll try and get a little, well, I was going to do a 40-mile ride, but I don't know what that's going to happen now, because I'm literally heading away from my route that I was on. But quite liking this, to be fair. Another thing is, I chose to ride my Mason this morning, and I'm glad I did, because half the track that I've just been on, or half the route that I've just been on, like I said, has been road, and the Mason's just flown along it, so that was a bonus. And it's obviously great for this canal bashing as well. I'm going to try and get off road again in a bit, see if I can make a little route of my own home. Awesome. Proper nice this bit is. Take that, new bit of canal, and I'm actually enjoying it. Better than the bloody road I was on, I tell you. So I'm off the canal, thank God. It's started getting really busy. I'm glad I've stuck a bell on this thing, because Jesus Christ, the amount of people in the path. And obviously the fishing season's on, so there's fishermen everywhere. But I'm back on country lanes, and it's nice. More like it, back off road, absolutely fantastic. No one around apart from a load of people either planting or picking asparagus over there. Apart from that, it's great, no traffic to worry about, absolutely gorgeous.
I just love it up here. I'm going to stop and grab a bite to eat before I head home, but it's gorgeous. And we've done 34 miles, so I'll make it 40 for when I get back, because I've got to do 100 mile a week, which I've done, so that's a bonus. But look at this for a view. There she is, my Mason bokeh. Absolutely love this bike. All time fave. Well, one of them. But just a superb ride, and seems so much. Oh, and my bonus there, look. My little canal warning, which has been a godsend today. Well, I'm going to say over and out. Thanks for watching. Folks coming up here walking the dogs. I'm going to shift out the way and grab a bite to eat. But I'll speak to you all soon. Thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye.